Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to allow access to contacts and call history for your headphones JBL TUNE 770. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. And then we need to scroll down. Right here I have it. You may have it at the bottom. It depends of Android phone. And also this name depends of Android phone. So I have stock Android, and on stock Android it calls allow access to contacts and call history. On your phone it may be call sharing or contact sharing or something with call or something with sharing. To enable it, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. If you want to disable it, you need to also tap one time at the slider, but if the slider have colorful background. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!